How's it going, guys? Alejandro back again, going over another used truck that just recently came into our department here at MJ Truck Nation. Today we're going over this 2019 Isuzu NPR-HD. Does come equipped with a 14-foot box, refrigerated with a carrier unit. As you come in and take a look, you're going to see this is a really clean truck. It's got really low mileage for the year. It's only got 80,000 miles on it. This is a diesel. It does come equipped, like I said, it's got a carrier 40X unit on it. 14-foot box. It is 91 inches interior height, 96 inches wide. As you come around and take a look at the back, it does come equipped with a pull-out ramp and an ICC bumper. The ICC bumper is nice. If you are backing up the docks, you can back up flush with the back of the dock. As you take a look on the inside, like I said, this is a refrigerated unit. Does got one row of E-Track on it as well. Overall, really clean truck. For a 2019, it only have 80,000 miles. Keep in mind, this is a diesel, so it does have the B10 rating on the motor. What that means is that 90% of these trucks are going to get to at least 450,000 miles before you experience at least any engine failure. So there's still plenty of life left in the truck. If you're looking for something reliable, refrigerated trucks, brand new, can cost you easily over $100,000. A truck like this is not going to last long. If you're in the market, this is very aggressively priced. You do want to reach out to us sooner rather than later. There's a few different ways that can be done. You can reach out to us on our website, mjtrucknation.com. You can give us a call here in the office at 561-840-9800. Again, that's 561-840-9800. Or, of course, you're always welcome to stop by. The address here is 3775 Interstate Park Road. We are located in Riviera Beach, Florida, and we look forward to working with you guys. Have a great day.